Welcome to GED Coordinate Geometry and Distance. In Session 1, we build the skill that every later distance, midpoint, and slope problem depends on: reading the coordinate plane accurately. Think of a point as an address. The ordered pair tells you exactly how to travel from the origin. By the end, you will plot points in all four quadrants, recognize points on an axis, and avoid the most common error: reversing x and y. The horizontal number line is the x-axis. The vertical number line is the y-axis. Their intersection is the origin, written as 0, 0. From the origin, positive x moves right, and negative x moves left. Positive y moves up, and negative y moves down. These directions do not change. Treat the origin as home base. Every point is located by starting there and following two signed moves. An ordered pair is written x, y. The order carries meaning. X is the horizontal move and y is the vertical move. To plot 3, 2, begin at the origin, move 3 units right, then 2 units up. The destination is the point, not the path. A useful rhythm is x first, then y, horizontal first, then vertical. Read the coordinate back from the graph to verify it: 3 across, 2 up. The axes divide the plane into 4 quadrants, numbered counterclockwise with Roman numerals. Quadrant 1 has positive x and positive y. Quadrant 2 has negative x and positive y. Quadrant 3 has negative x and negative y. Quadrant 4 has positive x and negative y. The sign pattern is a fast reasonableness check. If both coordinates are negative, for example, the point must appear down and left in quadrant 3. Now plot -4, 3. The x-coordinate is -4, so travel 4 units left from the origin. The y-coordinate is +3, so travel 3 units up. Mark the destination and label it P -4, 3. The point lies in quadrant 2, matching the sign pattern negative, positive. This is a complete check. Direction, distance, destination, and quadrant all agree. Not every point belongs to a quadrant. If x equals 0, there is no horizontal move, so the point lies on the y-axis. 0, -5 is 5 units below the origin on the y-axis. If y equals 0, there is no vertical move, so the point lies on the x-axis. 6, 0 is 6 units right on the x-axis. The origin, 0, 0, lies on both axes and in no quadrant. Here is the classic trap. 2, -5, and -5, 2 contain the same numbers, but they are different points. For 2, -5, move right 2 and down 5 into quadrant 4. For -5, 2, move left 5 and up 2 into quadrant 2. Swapping the coordinates changes both moves. Never guess from the label. Return to the origin and retrace x first, then y. Try this final check. Where is Q -3, -4? Start at the origin. -3 means left 3. -4 means down 4. The point lands in quadrant 3. Your repeatable method is simple. Start at the origin, move along x, move along y, mark the destination, then verify the sign pattern or axis. Session 2 will use this precise reading skill to calculate horizontal and vertical distance. Keep learning and preparing for exam day at bridgetoexam.com.